Wow, so pretty. Yes.
My name is Manon Michel. I'm a senior in the School of Visual Arts.
And I'm Maria. I'm also a senior, and this is my friend, and we're going to talk about our friendship. Woo!
We met because we have both been RAs for 2 years now in Claflin Hall, but we met during our training for RA during our first year. And we only really became friends probably like later that year.
I mean, you know, I liked her and all. She was fine. And we definitely got to know each other really quickly on a surface level because RA training is very much summer camp vibes. But I think that it was when we did the vagina monologues together, which she encouraged me to audition for, and then I kind of roped her into, that was what like unlocked the deeper level of our friendship. It was truly hours on end of people just like sharing deeply personal things. There was a lot of crying. I think that I've cried in front of these people like more than I've cried in front of anybody. And it was liberating.
I rehearsed my monologue in front of Maria, oh God, probably a sickening amount of times. It was just like so often because I trusted her, and like she made me feel brave, honestly. She made me feel like I could get up there.
Watching her in the last show was like properly emotional for me because she did come in and she was like so scared. And then by the end of the process, she was just like trusting herself so much.
And I think that it made it possible to feel fully myself and like 110% comfortable with her from that point on.
My mom made these and they say, "You are such a smarty. Crush those finals. I believe in you."
As nerve-wracking as it might be, like we're at the finish line here as far as college goes.
During this time, it's always easy to miss out on what's like going on right now because you're so worried about like planning the next step. Maybe like I accomplished something, but I'm just like so stressed about figuring out the next thing that I just like steamroll past it. And she'll be like, "Hey, wait a minute, like you did that. Like, can we take a moment to just appreciate that you did that?" And same with her, like she just put together her thesis show and like she finished doing it and then she was like, "Okay, I have a final now, I have to study for that." And then I was like, wait a minute, like this is so exciting. I can't wait to go see it.
Like Maria said, it's having that other person that's like looking at you and being like, "Good job." And then you're like, "Oh wait, I did do a good job."
I do think that we just like came into our own so much, just like supporting each other and kind of fostering this mutual growth.
I've seen her become this leader that like leads with love and with understanding.
That loving presence that like she has been for me and like that support that she's given me, like, why am I gonna cry? No! But yeah, that love that she's given me, like, that's so special, and like I can't wait to see how many like other people's lives she changes.